Every moment we have a chance to breathe with awareness. We have a chance to pause, allow yourself to take this break and just rest your mind on your inhalation and your exhalation. There is no the how, when, and where to practice. Every moment we are alive, we have a chance to become aware of the breath. Use the breath as an object of meditation. There will be many methods, techniques, practices suggested throughout this series. Pause to breathe. Hope you will enjoy them and they will be beneficial to you. Thank you.